The smart interface bracket needs to be wall mounted and must be hardwired into both a fuse spur and the Haloair control box, so bear this in mind when choosing its location. If installing a Wi-Fi enabled Haloair, it's advisable to locate the smart interface less than 30 metres away from the Wi-Fi router. To wall mount the smart interface bracket, check for level, mark and drill the two mounting holes and fix the bracket to the wall using suitable fixings for the wall type. The smart interface requires a 230 volt AC feed from its own 3 amp fuse spur. Cables can be routed into the bracket through knockouts on the back or on the bottom, where you'll also find a cable clamp to secure a 3-core flex. At the bottom left of the interface, you'll find 2 terminals labelled Supply 230 volts AC. Connect the live, neutral and earth wires here. The next step involves wiring the low voltage connections, which are positioned centrally and labelled low voltage only Haloair interface BSB. Note that these connections are polarity sensitive. After wiring each terminal, connect the wire from the smart interface to connection 4 of the heat pump control box labelled Haloair interface, ensuring that plus connects to plus and minus connects to minus. Cross polarity will result in a heat pump comms error. The control box leaves the factory with wiring links on connection 1 and 2, and these must be left in place when using Haloair. To finish, connect the plug on the smart interface to the 8-pin connector located at the top right of the bracket, then gently push the interface into its bracket.